Quoting in Excel? Chasing shipment updates over email? That's how your whole morning disappears, and how mistakes eat into your margin. The team's winning accounts are automating bookings and giving clients real-time portals. So today, we're covering CargoWise, Magaya, and GoFreight, so you can spend less time managing chaos and more time, actually moving freight. One quick thing before we dive in, because we get this question constantly. Brokerage software is about finding carriers. Forwarding software runs the shipment end to end. Booking, docs, customs, client updates, totally different tool. So let's start with GoFreight. It's aimed at small and mid-sized forwarders who want clean shipment visibility without spinning up an IT team. The standout feature here? Their customer portal. Your clients can get their own login where they can view container details, EDT, ETA, HBL numbers, documents, every milestone in the journey, without calling or emailing your team every 5 minutes. They can sort shipments, check ocean or air moves, and see when a container is loaded, returned, or switched to a new vessel. It's simple and effective, but there are some trade-offs. GoFreight handles ocean, air, and rate freight really well. That said, it's not specifically designed for specialized cargo needs, like break bulk or heavy lift operations. And larger teams might find the customization options a bit limited as they scale. Logitude World's another solid entry-level pick I usually recommend alongside GoFreight. It's cloud-based, made for smaller forwarders, and includes container tracking and a digital portal. Quick note, if you want help matching your actual shipment volume and trade lanes to the right system, my team does free consultations at softwareconnect.com. We ask you about your team size and what's driving you crazy about your current setup, then connect you with 2 or 3 vendors that actually fit. And that team size piece matters, because as your business grows, so do your needs. Maybe started with 10 people in basic ocean shipments, but now you're managing 50 employees and clients expecting instant quotes. That's when you need something built for regional and mid-sized forwarders, something like Magaya Supply Chain. The biggest strength here is rate management. Magaya pulls all your carrier rates into one searchable database. You can quickly compare lanes, auto-apply local surcharges, and build quotes faster and way more accurately. You can also apply custom margins to buy rates and track freight allocations so you're making smarter booking decisions based on actual volume performance. Pair Magaya with a digital freight portal and your clients get self-service access to quotes, bookings, tracking, all of it, without ever contacting your ops team. In other words, it's a solid choice for mid-market forwarders who have outgrown smaller solutions but aren't quite ready for that enterprise-level complexity. If you're in that same range and customs is mission-critical for you, take a look at Scope TMS. It's another strong alternative. But what happens when regional becomes global? You're not just managing multiple offices, but multiple countries, each with its own currency, custom regulations, and compliance requirements. That's a whole nother game, and that's where systems like CargoWise come in. It's designed to grow with you, and it's especially strong when it comes to financial accuracy and compliance. The exchange rate management feature lets you set distinct currency rules for each customer, supplier, or region. So if you're a global forwarder, you can handle preferred exchange rates and multiple currency billing with serious precision. CargoWise also automates audit reporting. For example, it can generate France's FEC accounting files instantly for tax compliance, something that normally takes days of manual work. It's extremely powerful and flexible, but yeah, it does require some time, budget, and a trained operations team to get the most out of it. For smaller forwarders, it's honestly more system than you need. But for global operations, it's one of the most complete freight forwarding platforms on the market. All right, let's talk about ballpark pricing, because freight forwarding, like most software, doesn't follow some nice flat rate. And here's what's interesting. The pricing tiers actually mirror the growth journey we just walked through. For entry-level systems like GoFreight or Logitude, you're typically looking at a few thousands to around $10,000 to $12,000 a year for a small team. Mid-tier platforms like Magaya or Scope, think $15,000 to $50,000 annually as you scale to the 10 to 50 user range. And for enterprise setups with CargoWise or global Magaya deployments, you're into 6 figures, sometimes well into 6 figures dependent upon your footprint. So instead of comparing sticker prices, think about where your business actually falls on that curve. Look, each of these systems can help streamline freight operations. It just depends upon your size, your trade lanes, and what your customers expect from you. Still not sure which one's right for you? Check out our full roundup. We've got other solid picks like GoComment for global operations or FreightView for domestic freight. Or hey, if you want to skip the research stage altogether, head over to softwareconnect.com and we'll do the heavy lifting with a free needs analysis. Drop a comment below with your company size and what you're shipping. I'll throw you some recommendations. And if your business also handles storage or fulfillment for clients, check out our warehouse and order management software roundups. Thanks again for watching.